Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use outfit codes in Roblox. Okay, first things first, go to roblox.com and log into your Roblox account. After logging in, navigate to the marketplace. In the marketplace, find the outfit or item that you want to obtain using the outfit code. On the items page, just look at the URL section of your web browser. You'll then see a link that typically looks like roblox.com/catalog/item ID/item name. The crucial part is the item ID, which is the number in the URL. This number is the outfit code you see in tutorial videos or even provided links. To use the outfit code, just go to roblox.com/catalog in your web browser. In the URL, replace catalog with the outfit code you want to use, which is the item ID. Press then the enter on your keyboard and Roblox will automatically fill in the missing parts of the URL. After that, you'll be directed to the specific item or outfit page. You can then proceed to acquire it, and outfit codes are essentially the ID of the outfit or the item you are looking for. And using this method, you can easily access and obtain the item that you are looking for. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now use outfit codes in Roblox. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.